Wherever you, I hope that everybody is fine. Today I'm going to discuss about an important topic of inorganic chemistry, which is called limiting reactant. And to know limiting reactant, you need to consider a reaction. First of all, suppose we have a compound sodium hydroxide, also called caustic soda, and it will react with hydrochloric acid. Then what will be the product? You know that sodium chloride and H2O, which is called water. So caustic soda and hydrochloric acid, it will make salt and water. Okay. So to know limiting reactant, you have to consider the reactant, both reactant, say caustic soda and hydrochloric acid. Then which will be the limiting reactant? Here, one thing will be the limiting reactant. Okay. What is called limiting reactant? Firstly, you have to know the compound or the chemical compound which will finish itself earlier. That means caustic soda and hydrochloric acid both are needed for this reaction, but here only one compound which will finish itself earlier, then it will be said limiting reactant, and the other one will be existed. So caustic soda and hydrochloric acid, we don't know that which will be the chemical reactant, limiting reactant. So if we decide that the molecular mass of caustic soda, we know sodium, the atomic mass of sodium is 23, the atomic mass of oxygen is 16, and the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, eventually 40. And the molecular mass of hydrochloric acid, hydrogen, atomic mass 1. The atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So you know that the molecular mass of hydrochloric acid is 36.5. Okay. So the molecular mass of caustic soda is 40, and the molecular mass of hydrochloric acid is 36.5. Okay. So we know that the molecular mass of caustic soda 40. So you can write here 40 gram caustic soda needs how many hydrochloric acid? You can write 36.5 gram HCl. Okay. So suppose there is a passage which is discussing, say there is a pot which is containing caustic soda of 20 gram, and there is a pot also which is containing hydrochloric acid. It has also 20 gram of hydrochloric acid. Okay. So and this is the sample. This is the sample, 20 gram of caustic soda and 20 gram of hydrochloric acid. Okay. So you have written already that 40 gram caustic soda needs 36.5 gram hydrochloric acid to react with each one. As therefore, 1 gram caustic soda needs 36.5 divided by 40 gram HCl. Okay. Then your supplied amount of caustic soda is 20 gram. So 20 gram caustic soda needs 36.5. Now this is called the unit system. So 20 will be here like this, 40 gram HCl. Okay, hydrochloric acid. So we can calculate what will be the result. 36.5 into 20 divided by 40. So 18.25. 18.25 gram. 18.25 gram of hydrochloric acid. So you need to notice that hydrochloric acid, the necessity of hydrochloric acid is 18.25 gram, but you have been given 20 gram of hydrochloric acid. That means it is not the limiting reactant, because of you need just 18.25, but you have been given 20 gram. that means you have extra, right? Almost 1.75 gram extra hydrochloric acid. That means it's not limiting reactant, because of it will not finish itself earlier. Okay, then you can just imagine or guess that what will be the limiting reactant, and you can guess caustic soda, but you have to prove it. How? You should write it. Okay, then you can just go by the reverse way. That means 36.5 gram HCl needs 40 gram caustic soda. 40 gram caustic soda. Therefore, 1 gram hydrochloric acid needs 40 divided by 36.5 gram caustic soda. Okay. Therefore, you have been supplied the hydrochloric acid is 20 gram. 20 gram. So 20 gram hydrochloric acid needs 40 into 20 divided by 36.5 gram caustic soda. Okay. So what can you get? 40 into 20 by 36.5, 21.91. That means your result is 21.91 gram caustic soda. Okay, that means you need 21.91 gram caustic soda, but you have been supplied just 20 gram. That means you don't have the extra amount of caustic soda, rather than you have just 20 gram. That means you have the shortage of 1.91 gram almost of caustic soda. So you can imagine that caustic soda will finish itself earlier. That's why caustic soda is a limiting reactant. So you can write like this. I will definitely write this one. The reason, since the amount of caustic soda will finish itself earlier. That's why caustic soda here is the limiting reactant. I think everybody is clear of this. Since the amount of caustic soda will finish itself earlier, that's why caustic soda is the limiting reactant. Okay. Then the left amount of hydrochloric acid. That means what will be the left amount or left compound, which is HCl. You can notice that hydrochloric acid, you were supplied 20 gram. Okay, so you can subtract it like this way. So the left amount of hydrochloric acid is 20 minus 18.25, and the result will be 1.75 gram hydrochloric acid. So it will be the left amount after reaction, and limiting reactant will be caustic soda. So you can determine the limiting reactant by this way, and after these classes, I think that you will be very much beneficiaries, and please watch the class attentively. Okay, thank you.